Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to withdraw from the Raceoption broker using the Tether TRC20 method. As you saw in the previous tutorial videos, we created our account in this broker, verified our identity, and made a deposit using the Tether TRC20 method. Now, we intend to withdraw this balance using the same method. An important point to note is that in this broker, when you make a withdrawal request, you need to have a trading volume 3 times the deposited amount plus the bonus. For example, we had a $50 deposit with this broker, which was awarded a 20% bonus or $10. As a result, 3 times that is $180. You need to have a trading volume in order to withdraw your balance without any fees. Otherwise, you will have to pay a 20% fee to withdraw your balance for the first time. Without having the required trading volume, you need to create a new ticket from the avatar section, customer service, and in that ticket, kindly state your request that you intend to withdraw without having the trading volume so that the withdrawal process can be activated for you. Now, after this, you click on the withdrawal option. In the withdrawal funds section, as you can see, the total balance is displayed to us. From the avatar section, go to customer service and create a new ticket. In that ticket, kindly state your request that you intend to withdraw without having the required trading volume so that the withdrawal process can be activated for you. So after this, you click on the withdrawal option in the withdrawal funds section. As you can see, the total balance is displayed to us. In this section, we have the withdrawable balance. In this section, we specify the amount you want to withdraw. In the next section, you select your desired withdrawal method, which in this tutorial is the TRC20 method. And then in the next part, you enter your wallet address. After entering the information, we click on the Continue option. On the next page, a proposal is presented to us, where we can earn up to 128% annual profit by investing our amount. If you wish to invest, click on the Earn option, and if not, click on No Thanks to receive up to 128% annual profit. If you wish to invest, click on the Earn option, and if not, you click on No Thanks. As mentioned, if you don't have a trading volume 3 times your deposited amount plus the bonus, you will need to pay a 20% commission. You click on the Withdrawal with 20% commission option. A code will be sent to your email address that you need to enter. You enter the code that was sent to your email address in this section. And as you can see, our withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. To see the details of this transaction, you can click on the avatar, go to the transaction history section, and view the complete details of your withdrawal. So, as you can see, our withdrawal operation was successful and you can see the withdrawn balance in your wallet. Stay tuned for the next updates. Goodbye.